Improve your writing skills with the help of QuillBot and ChatGPT. In the world of creating content, getting the right help for writing is really important. The QuillBot and ChatGPT, two powerful tools, when combined, create a perfect partnership to revolutionize the way we approach writing. Whether you are a student working on an essay, a professional crafting an important email, or a content creator seeking inspiration, the combination between QuillBot and ChatGPT offers exceptional support that boosts productivity and enhances the quality of your writing projects. QuillBot is a cutting-edge paraphrasing and grammar correction tool that transforms your writing with just a few clicks. Its advanced algorithm understands the context of your sentences and provides suggestions that retain your original meaning while offering improvements in clarity and coherence. QuillBot is your go-to companion for refining sentence structures. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's like having a conversation with an intelligent assistant that can assist you in generating content, answering questions, and even providing creative ideas. ChatGPT acts as a helping hand with the writing projects. ChatGPT can answer questions and search topics, write something up such as copy and prompts, assist with research. How can ChatGPT make your writing better? ChatGPT can help writers in various ways because of how it interacts with users. Some of the ways in which you can improve your writing are: Number 1. It answers essay and writing prompts thoroughly after doing research. For example, my research is on artificial intelligence in business. I will say, write an essay on artificial intelligence in business. Tell me how artificial intelligence is helping today's small businesses. This helps writers understand the prompts and the answers that follow better. Number 2. It helps come up with titles, words, and phrases. This allows writers to focus on what they want to say instead of how they should say it. For example, I will say, tell me 5 trending research titles on artificial intelligence in business. It finds articles and facts that can be used in essay or stories. This lets writers add truthful information to support their claims or narratives. For example, I will say, tell me 5 article links on artificial intelligence in business. In this way, ChatGPT can be used for academic writing. How to write an essay with QuillBot and ChatGPT. Let's take a look at how you can use QuillBot and ChatGPT to write an essay on the topic of the benefits of online learning. We will break down the steps and show how each tool contributes to the process. Step 1. Brainstorming with ChatGPT. Begin by asking ChatGPT about the benefits of online learning. You might ask questions like, what are the advantages of online education? How does online learning impact students' flexibility? Can you provide examples of successful online learning experiences? ChatGPT will respond with detailed insights and ideas that you can use as the foundation of your essay. Step 2. Outlining with ChatGPT. Create an outline using the information provided by ChatGPT. Make sure to include key points and supporting details. For example, I have outlined and made key points. In introduction, advantages of online learning and success stories in online learning. Step 3. Paraphrasing with QuillBot. QuillBot's paraphraser changes the words from ChatGPT. This helps you understand the ideas in a new way. Using QuillBot, rephrase certain sentences and points from your outline. This not only adds variety to your writing but also improves overall coherence. For example, this is the original text. Online learning offers students the flexibility to study at their own pace. The paraphrase sentence is, students can choose their own learning speed with online education. Step 4. Drafting with QuillBot's Co-Writer. QuillBot's Co-Writer helps you write papers and essays. You can mix the ideas you got from ChatGPT with the sources you found. Begin writing your essay with the help of QuillBot's Co-Writer. Incorporate the ideas from ChatGPT you outlined and the paraphrased content. QuillBot's suggestion will assist you in forming clear and well-structured sentences. Step 5. Summarizing with QuillBot. QuillBot's summarizer takes the big ideas from ChatGPT and makes them shorter. Then it organizes them into a list to help you understand them better. After completing each sentence, use QuillBot's summarizer to create concise bullet points that capture the main ideas. This will be useful for reviewing your essay and ensuring you have covered all the key points. Proofread your essay to ensure clarity, accuracy, and proper grammar. Whenever you use ideas or information from ChatGPT, make sure to provide citations in the appropriate format. QuillBot Citation Generator can help you create accurate citations. Step 7. Final review and submission. Remember, it's really important to give credit for all the information you use, whether it's from ChatGPT or not. Plagiarism, which means copying without giving credit, is not allowed. Review your completed essay, making any necessary changes for coherence and flow. Check that all citations are properly included. Once satisfied, your essay is ready for submission. Thank you for watching this video.